How much does Lincoln Financial pay for long-term disability? Lincoln Financial provides long-term disability (LTD) insurance that replaces a percentage of an employee's income if they become unable to work due to illness or injury. The amount paid depends on the specific policy, coverage percentage, and any maximum benefit limits. 1. Percentage of income replaced. Lincoln Financial typically covers 50% to 70% of the employee's pre-disability earnings. The exact percentage depends on the employer-sponsored plan or individual policy chosen. Second, monthly benefit limits. While the percentage of income is a key factor, policies also include a maximum monthly benefit cap, which usually ranges from $5,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on the coverage level. 3. Waiting period before benefits begin. Most Lincoln Financial LTD policies have an elimination period of 90 to 180 days before benefits start. During this waiting period, short-term disability or personal savings may be needed to cover expenses. 4. Duration of long-term disability payments. The length of LTD benefits varies by policy. Some plans provide coverage for a set number of years, for example, 2, 5, or 10 years. Many policies continue payments until the insured reaches retirement age, 65 or 67 years old, if they remain disabled. 5. Additional factors affecting payments. Offsets from other benefits. LTD payments may be reduced if the insured receives Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, workers' compensation, or other disability benefits. Definition of disability. Some policies require that the insured be unable to work in their own occupation for the first 2 years, and then transition to an any occupation definition for continued benefits. Lincoln Financial's long-term disability insurance typically pays 50% to 70% of income, with maximum benefits ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Payment duration varies, but benefits can continue up to retirement age for qualifying disabilities. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.